and
Yebo,
i-screen siyavela i-screen.
Yebo, siyavela.
Alright, danko, danko. Alright, ake bakhona abasha sha egroupini abangakaze straight nabo because namhlanje kumele ngabe sesiya straight i-strategy sethu because izolo bengithe namhlanje usuku lokuthi sithathe i-trade. Sithathe ama-trades njalo so.
yes, I'm new mina. Angikaze nga-trade.
Alright. So uyibukile leya video le ekade ngithe siyibukene le strategy lesamakhaphulo ngifake lapha ku-YouTube.
Yes, yeah, ngibukele.
Alright, so ngifuna
Yes.
sizokwenza sona but sizosenza for i-pocket option. It's the same thing le yenziwa lapha ku-IQ option ukuthi angazi ngirekhode i-session la siyenza khona nge-pocket option. So into engizoyenza ngizo-remove nje wonke ama-indicator ngiqale from la ngizo-apply khona ama-indicators and then siqhubeke lapho. Alright, so chart yakho is but I think alright, yeah, angiyiqale nje like kwi-chart. Angithi i-chart yakho by default isuke ikanje. Alright, into engifuna ukuthi just uyi-achieve kule session ile yokuthi ngifuna nikwazi ukulandela ama-trades. Let's say ngiya-trade mina and nginikeza ama-signals. Ngithi okay, ama-signals basically usuke uthi wena Sphere mangabe u-trade ngicela ungishere ama-trades akho ukuze nami ngiyithathe leyo trade ozobe uyithatha. So ileyo nto ke signal ukuthi nami mengithi ngiyabhaya la ngizobhala lapha egroupini ukuthi okay guys I'm buying and then bese nawe uyabhaya. As the trade bengiyilindile this trade ngaphazanyiswa kancane nje athi ngibo. Okay, I think ngisangayiphinda just one more but nginyusa isikhathi. Come on. 63. Yes. Okay, I'm taking a sell trade la kule Euro US sorry kule USD yen 3 minutes. So and I'm taking it on the OTC, right? Sengenzela ukuthi if you are also trading at this time but ke ake nginga-trade okwamanje, ake just nje senze i-strategy ukusifaka and ubone ukuthi okay isi-apply kanjani and sisebenza kanjani. Alright, so let's go back to ama-indicators ethu. So mawufika lapha e-chartini yakho phezulu uzobheka lama-icons lawo. Lawa la khona labo layini abathathu abanamaqhuzu laphana thizeni. Uzoklikha kubona and this is where you find ama-indicators akho. Maningi ama-indicator thina esiwasebenzisayo kule strategy lesi ngizokukhombisa awu-2 ilawa engiwafake aba ama-stars kanje. So ile ethi ADX and then eyesibili ile ethini ethi Bollinger Bands, right? Njengoba ngiwafake aba ama-stars kanje ngenzela ukuthi kube lula mase ngiwathola ngavele ngiwabheke nje around la ku-favorites and then angithi yabo kukhona wona womabili. So mowa favorite usukwenza kanjalo uwabeka nje la eceleni ukuthi okay ilawo engijwayele ukuwasebenzisa so wathi ngiwabeke la. Alright. And then okwesibili nakho-ke alright yawina i-trade yethu yokuqala cause ngithatha amabili laphana msho ubonile. Vele ngayithatha nge-1,000 and then eyesibili nga-add-a u-2,000 kusasele about 20 something seconds kule well not kule I know kusakhona ikhandlela elesibili after this so yeah le isanesikhashana impela ukuthi last about 1 minute and something. Right, so sekujana le iphele but it's looking good. In fact, yabo la ikhona manje, this is where you should normally be selling. So omunye umuntu usangasela la, but thina we've already won 2 trades. So we are not going to be greedy and risk any other thing. But ngizoyichaza kahle mase ngi-add angithi nibonile ukuthi ekuqaleni abevele khona ama-indicate. So it's not like this came out of nowhere. Bese ngivele ngiyilindele le trade le kuyikona ukuthi ngavele ngacisha because bengifuna ukuchaza ukuthi siwa-add kanjani. But alright okay nanka ke lama indicators amasekhona bese ngiyawa-add ke ngizo-add i-ADX yami. Alright yawina ke nalesibili so abu 3.5 so okay cool so sengi-right mina sengi-right sengizodedela nina alright asenze nje angithi uyabona-ke le nto ade ngisho ukuthi this is where we should be normally selling mangabe sibreaka le low le so lana this is where you actually enter. Mina bese ngingene lapha because bese ngivele ngiyibonile this thing. In fact asi-risk just maybe 500 manje because we've already made profits on this trade. That's risking 500 for just 2 minutes. For 1 minute. 1 minute is fine. Right. So I took a trade for 500. Yeah, 1 minute. So because really it should go somewhere down there, right? Yeah, no, it's fine. Ukuthi bese ngenzela ukuthi ngikukhombise ukuthi this was the actual entry la ngizobeka khona lento engathi ulayini la. Yes. Thina we entered way too early lapha phezulu. This is where you enter, but what is add ama indicators for this to make sense, right? Let's add these 2 indicators. There we go. I think so. We win another. Right. So if we tathele now, so you should be in profits, man. I think izophela anytime soon. Kubuye 500. Yes. All right. So okay, that's about 53 manje. So yeah. And lento ngithi yabo ngiyenza phambi kweni while ngiyichaza. So let me just add the indicator yesibili and then nginichazele why I took this trade, right? So let's go to Bollinger Bands. All right, and then ama Bollinger Bands. Lana ke khona le pencil le just next to le button esiklickile for add ama indicates. Khona le nto engathi i-pencil yoku-editha laphana. If uklikha yona uzokwazi ukudweba ama-lines akho nani. But you would notice ukuthi le nto esiyenza ka-IQ option ayenzeki la ukuthi ngikwazi ukudweba ulayini on top of i-indicator le la ezansi. So into ozoyenza nje wena ukuthi mina into engeke ngiyithande-ke la ukuthi ngi-edithe kancane la kwi-Bollinger Band. So na angisazi ukuthi ubani ngiyakhohlwa kodwa I'm sure mase ngingena kwi-Telegram group ngiscroll up ngizokhumbula ukuthi uyena bani angazi noma usipha noma ubani obekade ekhulume nge-deviation izolo usend i-screenshots and then ngathi mina akanyuse i-deviation yakhe ngoba i-Bollinger Band yakwi-pocket option, by default i-deviation yakhona u-1. So you have to change i-deviation yala uyenze u-2, and then i-period yakhona kube u-14, right? That iwona ama-default settings e-Bollinger Band. And then uma ungabuya lapha kwama-styles, ama-styles just nje local ukuthi ufuna ukuyibona injani i-Bollinger Band yakho, njengoba ubona ngathi i-green and yellow, is because ama-colors asho njalo. Ungawashintsha-ke wena abe noma imaphi ama-colors owathandayo, right? For instance, mina ngiyithandi le i-background mangabe kukhona i-shaded lapha, and ayibalekile se-center kumina, but ungayi-add just njengamabomu. Into engifuna ukuyishintsha kodwa is just ama-colors kuphela. Let's change colors. And then akubalekile kodwa le part engiyenzayo manje ukuthi ikhandlela lakho ulenzela orange noma la red, it does not matter as long as ukwazi ukulibona ukuthi okay leli lehlayo leli lenyukayo, or akubalekile ukuthi uyi-customize kanjani ibukeke kanjani, right? Alright, ake si-discuss-ke manje indaba ye-trade, right? Siba nama-trades, xaba namakhaphuli kube nje ya i-terminology yala ekhaya iyangihlekisa. Sithi ama-strategies xaba namakhaphuli. Alright, so ake ngichazele uthi sibo or ngichaze ngayo nje le trade, it's fine. If sikhuluma, okay, I need to zoom out la. I mean zoom in to 5 seconds, right? So by default ikhandlela lakho lizolasta 5 seconds, ne? Uzolishintsha nje laphana la ukade ushintsha khona i-chart type, la ufaka khona amakhandlela, and then i-time frame wena uzoyiselecta ile yokuqala ngqa u-5 seconds. Alright, and then that means leli khandlela leli, each candle la ulamakhandlela wabonayo, each candle represents 5 seconds of isikhathi. So isikhathi sakho njengamanje from now to 5 seconds izophela leli, qale linye last 5 seconds kuphele leli. So represent a price movement for 5 seconds kuphela. And wena into engifuna uyenze ukuthi all the time uzama ukuthi izinto zakho la ka-pocket option uzenze ifane nalezi ka-IQ option. So mangabe i-indicator yakho isebenzisa ama-colors athile, nangale ka-pocket option ka-IQ option usebenzise wona ukuze kube lula usheshe ujwayele ukuyibona. Ugcine usukwazi ukuyibona even i-indicator ingekho, right? But ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uzokwazi ukwenza lokho, right? Into engifuna manje siyenze ukuthi sidiscuss ukuthi uyithathe kunjani trade, and ubona ngani ubuy, ubona ngani usell, right? So siqala la. Oh, that's just one last thing engikhohle ukuyisho futhi kulento le ngisanda kuyisho ukuthi uzama ukuthi ama-indicators akho ama-colors afane both ka-IQ naka-pocket. So ka-IQ you would notice ukuthi ama-styles asebenzisa nje lawa ajwayelekile emhlabeni jikelele, and imaphi lawo ukuthi i-ADX, angithi uyabo la i-ADX inoline abathathu, khona o-green, o-yellow, o-red. So by default ngokujwayelekile i-ADX iyona ethatha lo line o-yellow. I think la umuntu wayecode lento wenza i-mistake nyana la. And then le red u-DI minus wona oba red. So uno-DI plus and then uno-DI minus. Now uyayizwa leyo nto, minus vele sijwayele ukurepresenta ngo-red, and then u-plus sijwayele ukurepresenta ngo-green. So that's why iba kanje. Mangase u-add yaka-IQ option by default izobukeka inje, right? So wena-ke nawe mawufika la ka-IQ bese wena ka-pocket bese uyayisave kanje ukuze ihlale i-default ifana nale ka-IQ. Ngoba vele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngiyazi okwamanje mhlawumbe usane-1 i-account, ngokuhamba kwesikhathi the most wenza womabili uzobona i-benefits yokuba nawo womabili ama-accounts because ngifuna mina siwahlukanise ngokuthi enye yama-account uyayi-trade nje uyenza iba long term. Mhlawumbe uthi nje mawuqala enyangeni njengoba siyoqala inyanga nje ngomhla ka-25, so ngomhla ka-1 wena uyayitshela ukuthi okay, ubuka ukuthi i-amount yakho oqale ngayo ukuthi okay, mhlawumbe ngino 1000, okay, ufake leyo 1000 ngala ku-pocket option, or let's say uno 1000 ufake u500 ngala ku-pocket option, uye ngale ku-IQ option uphinde ufake u500. And then bese wenza kanje, u-IQ option usebenzisele ukwenza njani? Ukwenza or it doesn't matter ukuthi iyona yiphi ozoyenza njalo, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi ama-account akho uwahlukanise. Just like i-investor kanje, une-short term investment, une-long term investment. So nawe uyibuke kanjalo. Enyangeni wena uzodinga ukuthi ube nemali thizeni, like uzowenza ama-withdrawals mhlawumbe njalo ngesonto, or even 2 times a week, or angithi yabo kuzodependa phela nange-performance yakho obviously. Kodwa nje uzodinga ukwenza lawo ma-withdrawals njalo ngenyanga, yabo. Yabo njengoba mina sengithi as from next month ngizoqala ngibe nabantu abazongisiza ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siphushe lento le, silekelele abantu abaningi. So sengizodinga ukuthi mhlambe let's say abantu engibatholile sigcine sivumelene nabo ukuthi okay, uzohola njalo ngesonto or njalo after 2 weeks. So that means mina njalo after 2 weeks kuzomele ngibe nemali, so I have to make a withdrawal somewhere after 2 weeks, ngibe nale mali yama-salaries abo and then ngibakhokhele. So nawe uzobheka into ekanjalo ukuthi okay, mina njalo after 2 weeks I need to mhlambe restock lapha kwi-business yami, or maybe ngi-add kancane efrijini lami or whatever, yabo. So uzoba naleyo account ozotradela ini, ozotradela just ama-short term investments akho ukuthi okay, ngidinga imali ukuthi by usuku olukuthi, then leyo account yalokho. And then bese kuthi le enye uyifaka nje uqala month end, uqala beginning of the month, and then uzuyofika month end. Iyona ezokutshela ukuthi how is your performance as a trader, are you growing, kwenzakalani wena as a trader ke individually, ngoba i-trading kahle it's a long term thing. Leya short term i-right for ukuharnessa i-skill sakho, but mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi lento le it's mawungayibamba ngempela, it's something ezokwenza wena ukwazi ukuyiphilisa nje forever, ngoba la awudingi muntu, awudingi espay, awudingi emngani wakhe, awudingi eboss, awudingi muntu. Mawuwedwa nje la ungakwazi ukuzenzela just wena ne-laptop yakho or ne-phone yakho. So ngifuna mina ukuthi ube nalokho, uthi ngesikhathi ufunda iskill la kule account yakho yama-short term, kodwa ube ukhula as a trader, and ukhula as a trader kusho ukuthini? You have to sleep osukwini wazi kahle ukuthi bengiqale ngo-5,000 and then ngiyolala manje i-account yami isiku-4,000. So lesi sipani esibhlungu ngalokho ukuthi thina siyakwazi ukuthi sivuke nathi sisebenze, kodwa asifani nomuntu ovuke wayosebenza mhlambe ka-Transnet or somewhere, ngoba yena ubhalile osukwini ukuthi mina ngivukile, so usukhona like 1,000 wami usuku, yabo. Kanti thina uyakwazi ukuthi uvuke wenze yonke into, kodwa kunokuthi ubhale nawo 1,000 wosuku kube ukuthi you are actually down 1,000, so you are worse than umuntu ongatradanga, yabo. So it's a reality yala. So wena mosukwazi ukuhandlisha lezo zinto psychologically, ukwazi ukuthi uyikhanselishe ukuthi no, it's fine, ngizothatha ama-trades mhlawumbe uyibekelile ukuthi okay, sithatha ama-trade awu-10 ngosuku, and then win or lose ukuthi ahambe kanjani, it doesn't matter. Ngifuna nje ukumaintaina leyo discipline ukuthi ama-trades engiwathathayo ngosuku azoba u-10, and then uthatha ama-trades akho abe u-10, and then njalo ngosuku uthatha 10. Okwakho ukuzama uku-improve nje accuracy. Mhlampe the first day uzowina 4 uluze 6, the second day uzowina 5 uluze 5, the third day uzowina 6 uluze 4, kanjalo lokhu uzama uku-improve nje uku-improve. Uzogcina usukwazi ukuthi wow, today ngithathe wonke ama-trade ngiluze 1 kuphela kwawu-9. Oh wow, namhlanje it was an all win day, yabo uwine wonke. Ngobani uzobe usus-improvile nawe i-skill sakho. So ngifuna eyaka pocket option i-account uyithathe kanjalo, more like a long term thing, and then mesingaleka IQ option si-tradela ukuthenga ifoni, si-tradela igrosa or whatever, yabo nje lezi zinto lezo oyidingayo during the month. Or mase iwazi ukuthi sizophela inyanga, mhlampe you renting somewhere, I need to pay rent, so izinto ey'kanjalo. So eyaka IQ will have more withdrawals than eyaka pocket option, right? But that's if you have both. Okwamanje, if since une-one or if une-one, then you can just stick to eyodwa. Angithi yabo? All right, so let's just discuss i-trade iyodwa ukuthi how do we take i-trade. So kahle hle thina i-trade siyithatha kwi-opportunity thile engaqhamuki all the time, right? But la liqhamuka khona liyacacisa, yabo nje ithuba lokutrade leli. Ubungayithatha la i-trade uthi but no, this is what happens mangabe ngitrade ngibe ngifundisa. I always see opportunities and then ngifuna ukwathatha. Caca ukuthi umuntu ugcine enga-understandanga ukuthi kwenzakalani. So let me just stop trading, ngifocus ekufundiseni. So this is what we are doing. Sifuna ukubona imarket inyuka or iyehla, kodwa kwamanje I want you to first focus on ukwehla kwayo, because naturally into yehla faster than i-speed yesuke inyuke ngaso, because mayinyuka kunale resistance ebakhona ukuthi iyanyuka, kodwa mayisiyehla it's usually on free fall, so yehla faster. Even imarket ke kuba kanjalo. So when people are buying something up, iyanyuka yona kodwa hayi fast kakhulu, mase yehla kakhulu, right? So this is what I want you guys to do, to look at i-ADX yakho la ezansi. Angithi yabo ADX yakho u-red no green, baloku be-interchange kancane kancane, bayahlangana bayadedelana, bayahlangana bayadedelana. Ibona amalokhuzana amakhaphuli ke lapha, u-red no green, iwona esiwabiza ngamakhaphuli lawo ama-lines lawo. Ngoba enza nje mangabe market ibehave ngendlela enormal, iya up or down, izowenza sure ukuthi yabo i-Bollinger Band yakho inama-lines awu-3, khona ose-center and then khona abangaphandle ababili. Mangabe imuva ngendlela enormal imarket yakho, ngithi yabo nje mawusuka la unyuka uya lapha phezulu, yes inyukile yona, kodwa buka-ke indlela enyuke ngayo. Inyukile yathinta lapha ngaphandle, yaphinde yazothinta la ngaphakathi la e-center, yaphinde yayothinta ngaphandle, yaphinde yathinta ngaphakathi, and then so this is a normal movement ye-market. But sometimes, not always, sometimes yenza nje ivele ipike just one direction and then iye khona with momentum kanje. Angithi yabo njengala yehle mawala, and mawubuka igudla nje kulo line owodwa ola ezansi, and then ukwehla kwayo kanje la ezansi ikona ke sikuthatha thina as opportunity yokungena, because this is not a normal movement. So sithatha ngokuthi yenze something more like a mistake, yabo. So iphutha leli izoyi-correct, and then thina ke sithi amakhaphuli axabene, so asazoxolelana. Ubona ngani ukuthi sisho ngani ukuthi axabene? Angithi sitheme sihlehla la sibuka la ezansi, amakhaphuli ethu aloke eyaseparate abuye azothintana, eyaseparate abuye azothintana. Kodwa manje mangabe sekwenzeka this movement le kade ngisho le unusual le vele igudle nje one side yehle njalo, or mangabe inyuka vele igudle ngalo onyukayo inyuke one ingabuyeli esenti ingasawuthinti lo sesenti. So makwenzeka njalo sithi ayaxabana amakhaphuli ngobani? Ngoba buka-ke mekwenzeke leyo movement u-red wakho uyelele phezulu, u-green wakho uyelele ezansi, so engathi bayahlukana baxabene, kubona nomunye aphume abhekele omunye aphume abhekele. So ingakho-ke sithi i-strategy samakhaphuli axabanayo. So u-red no-green amakhaphuli, and then bayaxabana because the only time la thina sithola khona ithuba loku-trade is when they do this, bayaxabana. So thina sithi ukuxabana kwabo ku-right ngobani basinikeza ithuba lokuthi, so it's more like imakethe yenze i-mistake lapho and namakhaphuli axabene not ukuthi nje asehlukene for good. So asazothi thina i-opportunity-ke sithola ngokuxabana kwawo ngoba siyazi ukuthi since kwamakhaphuli basazoxolelana laba, and then thina sothatha i-trade ngesikhathi sebexolelana-ke. Kusho ukuthini mengithi sebezoxolelana? Yabo njengoba kade yehla kanje, there'll be a time la isizobuyela khona lapha phezulu futhi i-reverse le movie le, angithi movie yehlile kanje bese iyayi-reverse-ke, and then thina sothatha i-trade somewhere la on the way back up isizo-reverse le movement le. And kodwa-ke leyo movement le othi ngithi kanje ngibona ukuthi mhlampe ngizoyibona kangcono. Ake ngifake noma let's do 4 charts lawa akanje. Right. Okay. Asenze kanje ya aswavule kanje sibone ukuthi okay, buka-ke la as soon as ngivula nje ngabe ngiyibona eyodwa ngithi yabo, buka-ke la, this is obviously not a normal move moyibuka nje inyuka mawala. So already sengiyazi ukuthi yini engizoyibuka, it's this guy. So ake si-add la ama-indicators ethu sibone ukuthi ngempela la amakhaphuli athini axabene yini or kwenzakalani. So i-euro yen leyana asenze nje asibuyisele i-chart elilodwa because sesiyazi ukuthi euro GBP ne-euro yen la kuxabana khona amakhaphuli. Okay, let's do this. I want to change to, click on top of this thing. Okay, I'm not sure why it's slow. Oh, now I got to network here, man. Whether I'm right, kanje ishaya network. Okay, nakho. Right. Okay, asibuyele kubani-ke ku euro, sithe yini euro yen, yes, EURJPY. Okay. Okay, is it? No, it wasn't EURJPY. Was it USDJPY? Yes, I think. And then GBP. Let's see. Oh, yes. This was it. Nope, it wasn't this one. Ake ngibuyele back, angisayibone le. Oh, engikhumbula for sure was EURGBP. Angisayikhumbuli le kade ingala iqaleni, ukhona ikhumbula. It's fine, kodwa ngi-add EURGBP because nayo ngiyikhumbula i-euro pound ukuthi nayo bikhombisa ukuthi ayaxabana amakhaphuli ami. Ngathi sesi-late-ke la. Alright, no, asikho late kakhulu la, usangakwazi ukuyithatha i-trade uthi uyehla for asithathe for 1 minute, but ngizoyithatha mayehla i-crosser la lower than this. No, it's fine, I'm gonna take it for 500. Bese ngiyayichaza-ke, angithi uyabo la even though le ingekho-ke strong le movement yokuxabana kwamakhaphuli la, ngoba uyibona ngani ukuthi strong, ayibuyeli ukuzothinta la esenta, angithi yabo, ayibuyeli ukuzothi le nje ibuyela, so it's not a very good move le yokuxabana kwamakhaphuli. La exabana khona kwangempela akudla nje kuloya line olapha phezulu one way kanje njengalo, buka lo, ngithi yabo ugudla la one way, awubuyele esenta, ubuyele ngoba isijika kwangempela. So nalana-ke besifuna ukubona into ekanjalo, so inyuke and then bese iyaqala-ke iyamuva, iyaphi, iya sideways. Mangabe iya sideways, sifuna le movement-ke iya sideways ingalast, yabo, imuve nje iye sideways kancane and then amakhaphula ethu aphinde ahlangane laphayana, enze njani, bese ayaphambana-ke, omunye usebuyela ngala nomunye usebuyela ngala. Then makwenzeka njalo-ke ila sekuzoqala khona yehle imakethe, isizo-correct-a leya movement, leya up movement la bexabana khona. And then asingeni-ke thina ngesikhathi besalapha phezulu, ulinde ukuconfirm ukuthi ngempela bayaxabana, so I mean ngempela sebeyaxolelana. So ngokuthini mengithi bayaxolelana, isizo-correct-a leyo movement, isizobuyela la phansi, angithi inyukile ekuqaleni, so isizowehla-ke izobuyela lapha phansi. So ufuna ukubona ngani-ke? Into yokuqala ile yaleli khandlela leli, ufuna ukubona ikhandlela lakho elizoprinta outside of i-Bollinger Band yakho, kumele iprinte futhi lower than i-Bollinger Band yakho. Angithi uyabo ukuthi i-most la amakhandlela abe-inside, angithi yabo abe-inside wonke la makhandlela la, since iqalile mover sideways. And then kodwa mesiyehla ufuna ukubonani, ufuna ukubona i-printer outside kanje. So this is a telltale sign for you ukuthi I should sell, right? And then kodwa ungathathi kweyokuqala ngqa, wait for another candle to close outside. Once you get that, then usuthole i-confirmation, because kuyenzeka iprinte la outside and then iphinde iqhubeke iyele phezulu. So uma ungaphinde uthole futhi elesibili eliprinta la ngaphandle, then uyakwazi ukungena uthi okay, sengenza njani, sengiyasela. So that's what you should have done la. Kuyikona ukuthi phela besingayibuki-ke this pair ngaleso sikhathi. Yeah, ake ngintetele nibuze just one or two questions and then ngintetele niyopractice. Ongakasibuki le strategy samakhaphula esilapha ku-YouTube, isona la ngisichaza khona kahle khona because ngiyadweba, ngiqale ngisichaze ngisidwebile and then ngiphinde futhi ngisichaze ususibona kanje, but isona nje nalesi ukuthi mhlawumbe futhi mususibuka kwenye i-platform sizoyenza futhi sense, because ususibone in two different platforms. Uma ikhona onombuzo engavula lapha i-mic yakhe akhulume. Awunsisela. Maye khona onombuzo engavula lapha i-mic yakhe alokhuze abuze. Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Ngiyakuzwa, but mina engifuna ukwazi mawuthi uthatha i-trade as usubonile amakhandlela njengoba usichazela, then where do I go? Ngiyambona like ngivulile la ku-screen sami.
Okay, so nanka lama buttons ubuy no sell. Yabo nje la mina ngithathe le trade manje ngathi izowehla, so ngipress bani usell lapha ya, and isikhathi sami ngishintsha la phezulu ukuthi let's say ngifuna ukuthi trade yami last like 1 minute, This is where I change isikhathi. U-M5, u-M la umele u-minute and then u-S u-second. So la S30 usho ukuthi i-trade yakho izolasta 30 seconds. U-M1 izolasta 1 minute, u-M5 izolasta 5 minutes. Thina-ke kule strategy sisebenzisa u-1 minute. So wonke ama-trade esiwathathayo alasta u-1 minute. So nje uma uyisethe wayishiya la ku-1 minute usuqedile ngokusetha isikhathi. Then the only thing ozobe uyishintsha is i-amount. So uzobuka ukuthi okay ithini ibhalance yami and then ubuka ukuthi okay kule balance I can afford to risk imali engaka and then yeah bese lapho ufaka lana-ke le mali le uzobe uyiriskayo. And then mangabe ukholwa ukuthi vele-ke le strategy indlela engisakufundise ngayo kwamanje ngithe ngicela usticke to le movement eyehlayo. So wena uzolinda ukuthi amakhaphula axabane inyuka imarket and then ngesikhathi inyuka okay wena uzobe usuthole opportunity lapho ukuthi okay naye ngathi baxabana impela ake ngilindeke sebezoxolelana and then inyuke iye sideways and then iphenduke ubone leli khandlela eliphumele ngaphandle and then usuyaqala usuyangena wena usuthini usuthi okay sebeyaxolelana-ke siyehla ngempela i-movement and then bese uyangena wena uthi sell. So uzopressa leli la ezansi uthi sell vele ususethile ukuthi 1 minute. So i-trade yakho izolasta bani izolasta 1 minute. So that's what you do. Okwamanje ungawathathi lawa abuy because they are a bit trickier than lawa awa-sell. But it's the exact thing ukuthi wenze opposite ukuthi okwamanje ngifuna nje siyigcine ibe simple. Siyigcine ibe simple. Just you are only going to take sell trades. But nisibuke futhi lesa strategy lapha ku-YouTube. It's going to make more sense and futhi no-attend lama session la kanje because njalo mangitrade mina kanje angithi nibonile la ngithathe mhlampe 4 trades or 4 trades because khona yodwa engiyiluzile out-3 ngiwawinile. So I took 4 trades la kodwa ngiwathatha ngibe ngiyakufundisa at the same time and you are allowed to ask questions. So yeah. Mhlampe futhi ake nginikeze ithuba lapha kwi-group niphinde nishaye ama-voice notes amafishane nibuze something anything nje about into esiyidiscussile or into odinga usizo kuyona bese ngiyakuphendula. Asihlangane ne-groupini. Alright, ke danko siyabonga.